Welcome to school too, eh. Welcome to school.
Darling.
Mr. Master, move this car.
What did they talk?
Move this. Mr. Man. And you do know that you are obstructing and violating the traffic law of this country. Are you aware?
You are talking nonsense.
According to the section 419 of the subsection 210 of the Nigerian Constitution, not the amended one, no, you are hereby committing public and general nuisance. I am going now to the Lagos court. No, last man, Carol. This is not Lagos court. This is a federal road and this is a federal offense. I'm taking him straight to federal court, and I will make sure you will be charged.
Welcome to school too, School too, Naga we day. Welcome to school too.
Oga, this man has destroyed all the traffic made by Latija, Tinubu, and even Fashola, and even the main ministerial error law too. With the rest, I'm very, very scared because there are no traffic regulations. This man is This one has just been no. There's nothing already.
No wonder that there's traffic everywhere. Very serious. How did you do it? Why did you do it? From Nigeria before we come to this place, through God Nephones. They don't tell us anytime we hear national anthem, we put still one praise. So to the track, my mother they go, they try ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. When they hear that they sing on tongue radio, Adai Zokopacho. That's why that one praise begin to sing national anthem. Before I know everybody don't talk and say, I don't cause confusion. This will have us. We can stop it. It's the government that is through God Nephones. You never see judge, you don't know. All right. This is
School too,
my sentence. Oh, Jesus. Oh, and somebody tell me that I don't come Lagos. Oh, my Jesus. Oh, sinful and kill you on top Lagos.
Okay, this case is hereby adjourned to the 31st of next month.
Wow! Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir.
Naga we day. Welcome to school too.